Welcome to the course of Metrology and Measurement. I am Dr. Gautam Pal, Associate Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering of University of Engineering and Management, Kolkata. Now today I am discussing about the some reference plane, which is very important, and without this reference plane, this measurement is almost cannot be done. So before I going to discuss about the reference plane, I must say that in the last slide I have discussed about the vernier caliper, vernier scale and least count. So, but on which you are going to measure, because you need a datum surface, you need a reference plane, and for that this least count I have discussed is almost 0.01 millimeter can be measured with the help of vernier caliper or these vernier scales. Now, this in this module, in this lecture, I will discuss about the some reference plane, and this reference plane first is called the surface plate. Surface plate are these are made up of cast iron, and this cast iron has a smooth surface, and this surface plate should be very smooth, and it acts as a reference surface. And as per IS 2285 1991, this surface plate are standardized. And apart from cast iron, there are some granite are also used for this surface plate preparation. Now, black granite is preferred over the pink granite, though pink granite are next to the black granite for the use of surface plate, because granite are replacing cast iron because this they have a very smooth surface than the cast iron. Also, they are very hard, and as per they are very hard as per 22 IS 2285 1991. This grade of this surface plate are specified, that is grade 0, grade 1 and grade 2. Grade 2 is highly polished and highly precise reference plane. And the structure, if you see the structure of a reference plane, that is the upper surface, this surface is there, and also there is a leveling screw is there, leveling screw are there in under this surface. There is a leveling screw, and with the help of this leveling screw you have to measure, you can measure or you can level the surface. This leveling screw, with the help of leveling screw and as well as the dial indicator, you can level the surface. If you place the dial indicator and with the help of this screw, if you make the surface parallel, then you have to check along this length and also along this width of the surface plate. And also feeler gauge is used whether there is any leveling problem is there between the of this surface plate. Now, this surface plate acts as a datum, and granite is used more nowadays than the cast iron because that granite is non-magnetic. The thermal coefficient of thermal expansion of granite is very less, okay, and also the hardness of granite is more than the cast iron. So that is why granite is more preferred than the cast iron nowadays. But we cannot forget about the portable surface plate with handle, that is made up of mainly cast iron. And next datum is the V block. To place any cylindrical job on this block, this is first one is the simple V block with the stirred up clamp. This is called stirred up clamp. Okay, and you have to set your job here, and with the help of this clamp you have to fix your cylindrical job on this. Suppose you are going to measure the surface roughness of a cylindrical part made by lathe, turning in lathe. So then you have to adjust your cylindrical job on this V block, and then you have to measure the surface roughness. Otherwise, if the material is of magnetic type, then you can use the magnetic V block. This is magnetic V block, and the angle are mainly specified by IS 2285 1964 standard. This angle is made by 90 degree. Angle is made by 90 degree. In some cases, 120-degree V block are also there. So these are mainly used for the reference plane. Okay, and this reference plane are used. There are also grade of this V block are also there. So without this reference plane you cannot measure the object properly. So these are essential parts in case of measurement. So thank you.